Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Night Cafe AI in your computer. Now go to your browser, be it Safari, Google Chrome, whatever suits you, and then search for Night Cafe AI. And when you find it, click on it. Now look for the authentic Night Cafe AI website. When you find it, click on it. Now this is the home page of Night Cafe AI. Now what you need to do is go to create option at top right corner just beside search icon and click on it. Now you can sign up through your Google account or your Facebook, or if you do not have both of them, you can create your own password and email to sign up. So if you already have an account, you can put your email and your password and click on login, but if you do not have an account, then go to sign up option above and click on it. Now put your valid email address, then create a password, then reconfirm it and click on create account option. After that, you'll be notified that a verification email has been sent to your email address and you need to go to your email address and check your mail. Now when you go to your mailbox, you will see a link sent by Night Cafe. Click on that. After that, you will be notified that your email has been verified. So now you need to click on continue. Now check on terms and condition and finally click on continue. Now your Night Cafe account has been created. That's how you create or sign up on Night Cafe. Thank you for watching everyone. That's all for today. If you liked our video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.